So friends, welcome to Crypto Guru channel. In this video, I will share you latest important updates about Vancoin, its price prediction that in this bull run in coming 12 to 15 months, how many zeros Vancoin can kill? Can this meme coin kill 3 zeros and reach $1 price here and give us 1000x profit or not? Okay, can we see this meme coin listing on Binance Exchange this year? Okay, or not? So videos will be very special, very important. You have to just for the complete video here. First of all, you can see Van. Okay, Van is name and this is the meme coin on Solana blockchain. 366 number current market cap ranking. Current price is three zeros. Okay, 0.3 times 0.20 is current price here. Okay, and here you can see we are right now almost 60% down in its all-time high that was about a month ago, and that was on 0.3 times $0.05, and we are 1200% up in its all-time low. Okay, that was 3 months ago, and this meme coin has already killed 10 from its current price. Okay, when this meme coin has make its all-time low on 26th January, this meme coin is now killed 10. Okay, and still this is not the starting of the bull run. Okay, so when the officially bull run will be started in crypto market, then definitely this meme coin has potential to kill maybe 2 to 3 zeros more here. The most important thing about this meme coin is that it's still listing. Already this meme coin is listed on get.io. Here you can see Bitget exchange, Bybit, HTX, KuCoin exchange has listed this coin. I already holding this meme coin on KuCoin exchange. Okay, MAXC, Binance, too many centralized exchanges has listed this meme coin. Okay, so that's the reason that maybe we can see is listing in future on Binance exchange also. Maybe it's possible we can see Vancoin listing on Binance exchange. Okay, and other unique thing about this meme coin is this holder number of holders really amazing, more than 232,000 holders. Okay, so this is really amazing number of holders, really amazing. And friends, so you can see its current market cap 148, okay, $149 million market cap here. Okay, nearly $150 million market cap. So from this market cap, if this meme coin can gain the market cap of $5 to $10 billion in coming bull run, then definitely this meme coin is really potential amazing meme coin and can give us 1000x return here. Okay, last 24-hour trading volume is $30 million. So this is awesome because this meme coin is already listed on too many centralized exchange. That's why trading volume is looking good here and community is very active. Okay, that's why trading volume is good. Market cap is still good, $148.9 million market cap. So this is really amazing, and maybe this number can be in billions in coming months here. Maybe we can see this market cap up to 2 to 3 or maybe $5 to $10 billion in future. Okay, for the Van coin. And friends, my price prediction for Vancoin in this bull run is that we can see at least this meme coin to kill two more zeros here. Okay, already this meme coin has killed 1 zero. Okay, and when it's make its all-time high, that was about 0.3 times $0.05. So maybe we can see this meme coin to kill at least two more zeros in coming 12 to 15 months in mega bull run. Okay, and this meme coin has still potential to give us at least 100x profit from its current market cap and from its current price here. Okay, because officially after bitcoin's halving on 20th April, we are entered in crypto bull run crypto market, but the official bull run, the mega bull run is not come yet. Okay, and maybe in coming bull run, in this coming mega bull run, this meme coin can perform really amazing and can goes up to $0.01 or maybe $0.05. And I think maybe this coin can kill 2 zeros. I'm already holding this meme coin on KuCoin exchange, and my price prediction for this meme coin, as I already told you, this meme coin can kill 2 zeros. Okay, it's possible or not, so you can must comment down below what you think, what your price prediction for this meme coin. You can must comment down below.